Hey, it's Jessica with Jessica's Jeweled Art. And I have some frames. Here's what they look like when you buy them. And I have this canvas that I'm going to put in one of these frames. And I thought it would be great to have you come along with me to watch me do it. So, I've already taken off the plastic covering that was on the frame that I just showed you. And I started dismantling it, and it had this piece of paper inside like this. So we don't need this. So that goes in the circular file. I took off the back, and the back came with all these different hooks to lock it in, and then also these two right here where you can hang it this way or you can hang it this way. So it really came with everything that you need. So I'm going to set the back aside rather, and so I took out the the matting, and I also took out the clear plastic that goes in the front. There was a little covering that I've already took off and thrown away. So I'm putting this clear cover down first. Then you're going to put the matting in there second. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to trim the sides of my canvas, and then we're going to put her in and see how she looks and if she fits perfectly, which I think she will. But if she doesn't, then I know what to do for a larger size picture. But this is a 30-30, so if this works for this one, then I know it will work for some others. And then also, if I have a larger picture, you can always take the matting out, and that will give you more space to show off your canvas. Okay, so we're half done. And we don't need to keep those strips for anything. So, I was doing this on my own. When I say on my own, without videotaping it. And then I thought, hey, wait a minute. This is great content. This is something that people would like to see. And I've got to get in that mode of thinking of, you guys don't just want to see the finished product. You want to see me in motion. You want to see me doing it. So, that's I'm learning. I'm learning. And now we're almost finished cutting off the trim. Of course, you want to get close, but you don't want to get too close because you don't want to cut off any of your good hard work. And here we go. Okay, great. We've done that. Now we're going to put her in, and let's see, how does she look? Beautiful. Okay, now I may need to, let's see if I need to adjust anything, like bring her down a little bit, so I can show her. Well, actually, hold on, I'm falling apart now. No, I think where I had her to begin with was the perfect spot. Okay, so now we're going to put the back on, and then we're going to just put everything, all these little clamps that hold the frame in place. We're going to put those in place. And there's a nice little ridge that these go into, and you can just use your hands. You don't even need a tool, because I didn't use a tool. I didn't use a tool to get them to move out the way, so I don't need a tool to get them to get back in the way. Okay, everybody is where they're supposed to be. Now the proof is in the pudding. There she goes. Perfect. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Ah, I love it. And hopefully one day somebody else will love it too. Okay, really quick video. Um, have a great day. Just wanted to show you how I put it in a frame. And actually, this is the first time I tried these frames, and they were perfect. Mwah! So I know that this size will be great for 30-30 with the mat. And then I can put a larger size in without the mat if I need to. So, this has been fun. It's been real fun. So, again, be good to yourself, be good to each other, pay it forward if you can. Why? Because paying it forward is great. See you later. Bye bye.